Okay, I present to you a third round knockout from your number 2 board repair champ in the world. She's still a fussy old girl, don't knock the table, but running like a beaut. That's the loose ribbon, there you go. See, cool. So yeah, this ribbon here is still a bit dodgy, so I need to replace this connector, but all in, see that connector, but that's it now, just one little loose wire, and the fault was the dead line. Can you see it going from the processor to a LS155? The subboard is good, and the Sakura is good. Wait for the new ROM set. Hopefully it's the undumped.